Do you ever find yourself struggling to schedule appointments, meetings, or calls? With so many things going on, it can be a challenge to keep track of it all. But what if there was a simple solution that could streamline your scheduling process and save you time and headaches? Well, there is. Introducing Calendly, the leading online scheduling tool that makes it easy to book appointments and manage your busy schedule. With Calendly, you can create a custom scheduling link that you can share with clients, colleagues, or friends. They can use that link to select a time that works for them based on your availability without the back and forth of email or phone tag. Calendly also integrates with your calendar, so you'll never double book yourself or miss an important meeting. And with automatic time zone detection, scheduling with people in different parts of the world is a breeze. Plus, Calendly offers a range of customization options, so you can tailor your link to match your brand or personal style. And with advanced features like group scheduling and reminder notifications, you can schedule and ensure that everyone is on the same page. So without further ado, here's my Calendly. So I've got the free version because, to be honest, that's all I need. So with the upgraded version, you can schedule for a 30-minute, 60-minute meeting. 15 minutes is fine for me. You can schedule events. So you can see these are upcoming events for me. You can actually drill down into those as well. So you've got pending, so past. So these are events I've had today. And then you can select even a date range. Workflows, again, is another one that you need to upgrade for, and routing forms. So let's check out event types. Let's drill down into my booking page. So as you can see, this is actually tailored to the company that I work for, which is Measure Minds Group Limited, the analytics agency. So let's have a look. We'll drill down into Friday the 17th. So got some slots available. What I'll do is I'll select 9:15, confirm the time, name, email, and what we'll do there, you can add guests or share something in the meeting. Let's share test and then schedule event. And there you have it, booking confirmed, and they'll be notified, and you can enjoy a nice meeting and you'll be blocked out on your calendar. Hope this helps, but make sure to use Calendly. Thanks.